Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going to set up the lock screen now. First, open Settings and go straight to Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. You need an active passcode before enabling most lock screen features, so set or confirm it now. Once done, glance through options like Require Passcode and allow access when locked to control what appears on your lock screen. Make sure to keep your Apple ID handy for any authentication steps. Now you'll fine-tune what the lock screen shows and allows. Tap Require Passcode to choose immediately or a delay. Shorter is more secure, longer is more convenient. Next, enable or disable Control Center, Today View, and Wallet access from the lock screen depending on what quick actions you want. For privacy, adjust notifications right arrow show previews to always, when unlocked, or never. This determines whether message content appears before authentication. Once set, test by locking the phone and waking the screen. Finish by locking your iPhone and testing everything. Wake the screen, try Face ID or Touch ID, check notification previews, and access enabled quick tools. If Face ID struggles, make sure your face is well framed and lighting is even, re-enroll if necessary. Once done, consider enabling Attention Aware or Raise to Wake to improve responsiveness. If settings won't save or features misbehave, restart the iPhone and check for an I/O.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.